The number one injury that people get in the gym, working out, basically across all sports, is rotator cuff shoulder injury. So I've had a lot of those myself. A lot of people struggle with that pain. So I want to show you today my upper body warm-up I do anytime I'm doing any upper body weight workout, and even a jiu-jitsu workout or a wrestling workout, anything like that. I like to do these exercises just to get loosened up, get some mobility, and makes me feel a lot better. So the first one, and I'm not very good at this, which is why I do it every day, is a wall angel. So you want to get as much of your body to touch the wall as possible. For me, just holding this position is pretty challenging. I got my heels, my butt, my elbow, my hand, my head, everything on the wall, and I want to keep my elbow and hand, everything up against the wall. So I'll usually start with at least 3 sets of 10, and you'll notice my mobility here is not that good. This is really challenging for me, and it's a great stretch too. So do that, 3 sets of 10 to 12. Then we're gonna head into our club bells. This is called Clubbell Unwinding. The key with this, you wanna keep the club bell flat to the floor, parallel with the floor, or as close to it as you can. I'm gonna turn my thumb in, bringing it up over my head, and my elbow wants to stay as close to my body as I can, and let gravity just pull and unwind that. Same thing on the other side, pulling it up, elbow first, like I'm zipping up a coat. This brings around my head, trying my best to keep the bottom of that flat, my elbow inside, back to the front, zipping it up, coming around, just like that. Remember, the key to this, you want that club bell to try to stay parallel with the floor, and I usually do about 3 sets of 10 to 12 with those. And this is a kind of a lateral raise iron cross variation. We're going to hold this out here, drop one arm down, the other down. We'll go to the full angel, touch him up top, pause right here. Right side down, left side down, all the way up to the top. And again, you have to use a weight that you can control. You're going through that full range of motion, stabilize, getting a lot of time under tension, and do about 6 reps, 3 sets of 6, because that's my favorite shoulder workout. And I've had a lot of shoulder issues doing this 2 to 3 times a week on my upper body days, or even just if I'm feeling like I need it, has helped dramatically. So let me know what you think down below. Let me know what your number 1 shoulder exercise is, and let me know below.